Are you looking for labour-saving tips, information and how to get the best from your tools? Then you've come to the right place. I'm Jim, I'm the founder of TilersTools. I've many years of experience in the tiling and construction industry, and all that information is here for you to draw from. Here at TilersTools, we help you build your confidence using our products to get the best information and equipment and make greater impact on the outcome of your work. Every month we'll produce tutorials, informational series and showcase our products for you to watch. Plus we post labour-saving tips and strategies to help you work smarter and not harder. We believe that it is vital that our customers and viewers receive our services and provide products and product information for the tiling, landscaping and building divisions to the best of our ability. If you're interested in what you see in our videos, make sure that you subscribe and hit the turn on the notification button, and you'll never miss out on our tutorials or our guide videos.